Greetings and welcome. This is Psychic Medium Roberto, and I truly hope you are doing well today. I'm recording this episode on June the 8th at approaching a couple of minutes before 9 a.m. Trigger warning, the subject matter is of a mature nature and deals with true crime events. Disclaimer, all cases are treated as alleged until proven in a court of law. So the missing case of Dr. Michael Mosley popped up on my dashboard, and there were a couple of viewers overnight requesting that I have a look at this. So let's have a look. Now, he was vacationing with his wife in Greece, I believe. I haven't done too much. I've watched a news video and just got his details now from Google. So let's have a look here. June 5, 2024, and we have the 6, 5, 11, 2, 8, 19, 10, 1. So what is already bothering me is the 19, 10, 1. That's a problem. The 11, 2 is also a problem. I beg your pardon, the 1910-1, there does indicate a murder, but I'm just saying we still need to validate. Let's validate, but let's make it orange for now. These are warning signs for me on the day. The 10-1 brings around transactional elements, so was he murdered for money? The 11-2 is an unlawful act. It could also, because let's not draw conclusions just yet, 11-2 could also be a fall. He could have slipped and fall 11-2. Okay. So let's see what transpired and get a sense of what's going on. The days following will give us reflection. So I'm looking at reflection, as well as we'll get a summary 72 hours later. Now, I remember this day prominently, and you may recall if you watched the video, I said the 6 plus 6 brings around issues. So you'll see here, the 6 plus 6, there's a conflict of interest here. So there's the 11-2 reflected again. Let's have a look here. We got a 13-4. I must say, beg your pardon, I must say I did receive an impression before doing the numbers. It feels, I must be honest and say, it feels a little bit sinister to me. Like a hitting on the head or something. I'm seeing that image more in aura, but through the aura I'm starting to get the image. And I am seeing someone looking over someone in their pockets. 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at all these 8s here. 14, 5. Oof, we got problems here, I think. 22, 4. The grand master plan. Changing my life. Oopsie daisy. What have we got here? 22, 4. Does signal the medical faculty. So let's just say, if we take it on the, and we need to go a bit deeper here, because 14.5 can also say there's like this little gang around, like a group of I would say generally men, there's a group around, they've got plans to, let's say, mug someone for money. What concerns me here as well is we've got all these eights, bit of chaos. We're going to have to get the fuller picture, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have to look at what happened leading up to this event. Something's not gelling nicely here for me. Something's not adding up here. Now, I did see another news article saying that someone had previously gone missing in the general same area previously. So one, could there be a gang of thieves roaming, picking on tourists, which is a common practice in any country? I'm seeing there's something happening here the day before as well, eh? Something is not right here. So look why. We got the 10-1. All these little groups around here about money. But we've got an 18-9. Now, why would there be a murder the day before or the threat of death? In fact, the threat of murder. Let's have a look. We're going back some more. Beg your pardon. Let's just... something's not right. So we've got a 17-8. Look at the stack of 8s here as well. There's movement going on in the background here. And the sense that I'm getting, it's a little bit more than just common thieves running around, right? We'll go one more day back, but I'm just recapping. We've got a 22-4. Does speak about the plan. On another level, the 14-5 is a lie. And we got these jumbled up 8s. Alright, I'm still only getting that one impression. It was on my right hand side, it's now moved to the left. And it looks like someone is breaking something. It's like smashing something down. Was he breaking his cell phone? There's a conflict of interest day here as well, June 2. June 2, we got, first of all, the stack of 8s. Due to the stack of 8s. But we also got a double 8 standoff here. There's something's gone down here in the background. Look at all these 8s. Something's going in the background here. And I mentioned this in, was it the Kubrick case? Or the one before? Possibly the Kubrick case. I'm not necessarily, so let's just say June, the 3 reflective days here. So let me just put here for, if you're new to the channel. This blue zone here is a reflection. So let me just say, on one level, it's a reflection of what transpired on June the 5th. June 8 gives a summary of what happened on June the 5th. The beauty of numerology. It doesn't discount what these numbers also say, what actually happened on those days. We'll have a look at it. But it looks like I'm getting a male figure breaking a cell phone. So this is the, I believe, one of the pictures. I don't know if it was the picture of the day, but this is one of the pictures here. So from an overview point of view, there's something going on here. There's definitely something going on here. And it's not at a thug level either. There may be a bit of lies being told here, unfortunately, ladies and gentlemen. So let's look at his date of birth. So we got March 22/4. We got a bingo there as well. 10, 17, another 22/4, 5, 6, 7. If there ever was someone that can create a plan, these are amazing numbers. This brings about a lot of energy. 17. Yep. 25/7. Something's wrong. 25/7, beg your pardon. 29. It's automatic. I stop if there's an error before. 29, 11, 2. 11, 2, 2. All right. Let's start seeing here now. All right, so the doctor has double 22/4s, 25/7, and prominent 29, 11, 2. So on the day, here is Michael. And there's a 19-10-1. You know, I must just say, and of course I respect everyone's privacy, and therefore if I pick up personal information, I'm not going to reveal it, but I do want to draw to your attention because I feel it's necessary here, because we're trying to build up a case and see what actually happened. We don't have the ultimate answer yet, I don't believe, but things don't look on the up and up here, if you know what I mean. Now, Michael has 444s. Now, someone with these amount of 4s, yes, it lends itself to the medical field, 100%, yes, yes. But it also talks about depression and the propensity for depression. Now, let's just say on the daily in his reality, and not looking at the numbers from a crime point of view, the deals and the TV shows, so the TV show sits here at 24/7. And I must just say, I've never seen a single episode. I know I'm like 1% of Game of Thrones as well. Don't tell anyone. But the TV aspect, the fame aspect, is the 25/7 in him. But he's got all these medical numbers, right? The 4s. Now, when you have the 29/11/2, these are the big deals that he makes around these TV shows or his business, his practice. And also does bring about law. But the problem is when you pressurize that 11/2, it can also become breaking the law, right? I will also just say, and again, I'll just give a disclaimer, I'm not going to go personal, but this 11/2, and I'm only saying this because there are so many 4s here. There are 3 4s here. There's an imbalance, right? And when you've got 11/2 as well, that compounds the effect of that imbalance even more. And we note here on June the 6th, the 11/2 year. And the alarming thing, what precedes the 11/2, so let's just look here. What precedes the 11/2 is this 22. There's an emotional outburst that has taken place. Now, I don't know what his reality was, or whether he's retired, or does he still have duties to do on shows or whatever. But like I say, June 8th for me doesn't look right. There's manipulation and games and lies being said here. Something's off here. So let me just put it this way. I don't believe the case is clear-cut as we think we know it is. Let's put it that way. See, there is a 21/3 here, which could bring around abduction. Was it the idea that there could have been an abduction? But the tone that I'm getting from these days, in relation, of course, to Michael Mosley, and in relation to his date of birth, there's something's not right. Now we can say, of course, the 22/4 pings on him directly. We can say that. But he should be here, the 8. Michael should be the 8 here, and there's no 8s on him. This is where he should be sitting. So let's just say, based on what we know as the facts, he's gone missing. He should be reflected in this position. And what we have here is an 8. So it's what kind of communication has been sent out. But based on what I'm seeing, the unraveling of what has taken place here is going to come out. And the impression that hitting that I felt there, it can sit with an 8 as well. There's like, I heard a very bad like thud. I also want to say, whatever transpired here, something may have also else happened in the meantime with him that went wrong. There's a lot of manipulation of these numbers going on in this week here. And the scary thing is I'm picking up a murder here. There's a death here. And once again, it's preceded by the transactional number 10-1. It's like all these people cleaning out their closets at the moment, with all the skeletons running around there. This 10-1 number is bugging me. 11-2. It almost feels like there's also like, this could also allude to, and the time that I'm speaking to is the only time I've spent on this case. But this 10-1 also speaks about insurance policies. This 10-1 speaks about insurance policies as well. And this 14-5, so I'm looking in the summary day now of this day. And what I'm going to show you is, so these 10-1, particularly the 10-1 outcome is financial, right? Now, in the financial context, the 14-5 can also be fraud. Faking one's disappearance or death, I don't know. But there's too much of a design going on here, and it's bungled. You got the 888s in the reflection. You know, if you want to take it on the literal, June the 3rd, you got the stack of 8. So everything, let's say, is on paper going to work, right? It's like this dumb criminal now. I just saw the video on Anna. And I'm just going to bring her face in because we are more than a number. Her husband has obviously been jailed. So there's a photograph of the husband spray painting I believe it to be the husband, spray painting the security camera. Now, like most dumb criminals, and I think it's so funny, like dumb criminals, he has the visor up, but he's masked, he's completely masked. The only thing you can see is his eyes, right? But if you compare the eyebrows of those eyes to his eyebrows, to me it looks like a bit of a match, that dumb idiot. So I'm just going to look again. As I say, I've only been looking at this in this time that we have here. June 5. So the morning starts with the 6, 5, and 8. So here's another warning sign here. The day starts with a 5. Now, if you're going to start your morning with a 5, it's not going to be a pleasant day. Or let's just say your morning is not going to be what you expect it to be. Difficulties. And still alarming, we have this 89.9 the day before. That's murder around here. Huh? Bar 10-1, yeah, there's a 10-1. There's a So I'm just going to say June 5, 2024 as a missing day is very dodgy. Now, of course, he has gone missing, but I'm saying what I'm seeing in the numbers here doesn't tell me missing numbers. The day starts with bullshit, 5, and in the reflection window we have bullshit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's my cold reading on Michael Mosley for now. Something is off about this case. Something is off about this case. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's keep the eye on the news and we'll see what transpires next. All right, please leave your comments, your suggestions. I do love engaging with your comments. Stay safe, stay alert, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.